In this video, we want to solve for x given square root of x times the square root of x times the square root of x times the square root of x is equal to 7. To begin, I'm going to square both sides of this equation so that this cancels this. Then I have x, this x, times the rest of the radical, square root of x times square root of x times square root of x is equal to 7 raised to power 2. Let's square both sides again. That will give us this as well squared. To open this bracket here, we need to apply law of indices. Given a raised to a times m raised to power n, you can open this bracket as a raised to power n times m raised to power n. So this will give us x raised to power 2 times the whole of the radical raised to power 2 is equal to, now to open this right hand side, just multiply the powers. By law of indices, you're allowed to do that. Then this cancels this, so we have x raised to power 2 times x root x root x is equal to 7 raised to power 4. Let's tidy this up. This is x raised to power 1. So we are going to apply this law of indices. A raised to power m times a raised to power n will give us a raised to power m plus n. This will then give us x raised to power 2 here plus 1 here is 3, then times square root of x times square root of x is equal to 7 raised to power 4. Then I'll square both sides again. This will give us x raised to power 3 raised to power 2 times square root of x times square root of x raised to power 2 is equal to 7 raised to power 4 times 2 is 8. Here again we have x raised to power, this will be 6, and this cancels this, so we have x raised to power 1 root x is equal to 7 raised to power 8. At this point, this is x raised to power 6, this is x raised to power 1, and this is x raised to power 1 over 2 equal to 7 raised to power 8. And by law of indices, we can combine all of this to give us x raised to power 6 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 7 raised to power 8. So we have x raised to power, this is 7, 7.5. That's going to give us 15 over 2 is equal to 7 raised to power 8. So from here, let's multiply both powers by the reciprocal of this power to get rid of the power here. This will give us x raised to power 15 over 2 times 2 over 15 is equal to 7 raised to power 8 times 2 over 15. All of this will cancel to give us 1, so we have x is equal to 7 raised to power 16 over 15. So this is the final value for x. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.